Welcome to Space Cable, the fastest-growing cable company in northern Ohio. Space Cable got its start just about 3 years ago with our flagship franchise in Strongsville. From that, Space Cable has grown to include 9 individual cable franchises operated from 3 separate head ends. Space Cable is now the 3rd largest cable TV operation in the greater Cleveland area and the largest locally owned MSO in Cuyahoga County. Let's take a closer look at the Space Cable operation. Our first system, based on the border of Strongsville and Middleburg Heights, now serves those 2 cities with the largest cable channel lineup of any area system. We're also building cable in the more sparsely populated Columbia Township, just west of Strongsville in Lorain County. We have maximized the potential of this one Strongsville head end to serve these 3 communities, eventually passing over 17,000 homes with a potential of 9,200 subscribers. And this has proven to be one of the most expensive systems in Cuyahoga County to build, with over 90 miles of underground plant and 70 miles of overhead plant in Strongsville alone. Our Independence system was the second space cable operation to be built, and now serves Independence, Cuyahoga Heights, Newburgh Heights, and Valley View. With its own head end, we have once again demonstrated the ability to maximize system potential by expanding into neighboring cities with Space Cable's enviable, ahead-of-time construction schedules, well-built systems, and renowned channel lineup. We'll be passing over 3,750 homes in this system with a potential for at least 1,850 subscribers. Then there's Sheffield Lake, and in the Space Cable tradition, neighboring Sheffield Village. Here we found an excellent location to build a head end. The only problem was it was being used as an auto body shop in a rundown building. So we bought the shop, renovated the building, and changed an eyesore into a beautiful addition for a proud community. Still under construction, we will pass nearly 3,600 homes with a potential subscriber base of 2,000 customers. You may notice that Space Cable's subscription rate is quite good, in excess of 55% in most of our systems. We pride ourselves on our professional door-to-door sales efforts, coupled with aggressive remarket campaigns designed to reach as many non-subscribers as possible. Space Cable's latest edition came in October with the award of the Garfield Heights franchise as the last of the major suburbs in the county to grant a franchise. The Garfield Heights contract established Space Cable's preeminence among locally owned cable systems, winning out over Complexa Cable, Continental Cable, and Cable Holdings of Garfield Heights. We won based on the strength of several presentations to the city's Cable Advisory Committee and city council members, demonstrating, among other attributes, our commitment to build and operate institutional loops to connect educational and civic organizations within the major cities we serve. Garfield Heights will be constructed in 1984 with a total investment of $3.2 million. This will include all head-end equipment, earth stations, overhead wiring, and local origination equipment. We've made a tremendous promise to the people of Garfield Heights, and we intend to keep it in typical Space Cable style, ahead of time, within budget, and technically well constructed. And while Space Cable has been building cable systems for 3 solid years, we have also undertaken a massive converter swap-out in Strongsville. Necessitated by the abrupt cancellation of our Scientific Atlanta 6700 series set-top converters, we were forced to find an acceptable alternative. We became convinced that the SA8500 addressable converter was the way to go, and moved quickly to begin installing these devices in customers' homes. To date, the changeout has cost over $800,000, but has given our subscribers a truly state-of-the-art converter with an amazingly low failure rate. We are able to quickly change customer services by addressing each converter with a computer on demand. This aspect of computerized operation and cost control will save Space Cable systems thousands of operating dollars in the years to come. This brings us to the future. Where do we go from here? Well, being an ambitious, young, people-oriented business, we would like to grow some more. We believe we have the talent, the commitment, and the resources to take our style of cable operations into other cities and towns. With an eye toward the future, and with our feet planted firmly in the here and now,